So in last class we have done only one question of exercise 6c. Now in this class we are going to solve the further questions. So here we have, I already wrote the question on the board. So two questions. So here you have a question like cot 55 into cot 35 minus 1, cot 55 plus cot 35. So it's a very simple question and it's a VACQ's question, very short answer question. So you have to just look at the question, and this question is similar to cot A plus B formula. Okay, so let's get the solution. So here given cot 55 into cot 35 minus 1 and cot 55 plus cot 35. So here I know the one formula, that is the formula is cot A plus B is nothing but cot A into cot B minus 1 cot B plus cot A. This is the formula. This is the formula. Okay. Now, if you compare these all things, cot A, cot B minus 1, cot B plus cot A, then you will find the given value. Okay. So, the given value can be written as cot A plus B, cot A plus B. So, here, if I'm giving equation 1 and 2, after comparing equation 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2, then I am able to write cot 55 plus 35 is equal to cot 90, and cot 90 is 0 degree. So here the answer of this is equal to 0. So cot 45 into cot 35 minus 1 cot 55 plus cot 35 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Just note it down. Okay, here I'm recording this video, so you can take a screenshot. No need to note down. So here, because we don't have much time and we have to uh, complete our syllabus, okay, within short of time. Now just see the third question. The third question is tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. So here solution will be, just see here, we know the one formula. First of all, just write the given. The given part is tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. Okay, here one formula we know already, that tan a plus b, tan a plus b, we know the formula is tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b. This is the tan a plus b compound angle formula. Okay, this is the formula. So I'm going to use tan a plus b formula here. See here, tan, I can consider pi by 4 as a and theta as a b. So I'm going to use the formula tan a plus b here. Okay, just see here. So this will be 10 pi by 4 plus tan theta 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. This is first bracket. This is second bracket. Tan pi by 4 minus theta and tan theta. Then 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta. Okay. Now 10 pi by 4, I know already 10 pi by 4 values is 1. So here I'm going to write 10 pi by 4 is nothing but 1. So here 1 plus tan theta and here 1 minus tan theta. Okay, and here again 1 minus tan theta and 1 plus tan theta. Okay, just see here we have, if I do simplification, then 1 minus tan theta will get cancelled from here and 1 plus tan theta will get cancelled from here. So I will have 1. So this is the answer. Just take the screenshot and take the screenshot, then let me know once you have done. Did you understand? Sheikh Hassan Ali, did you understand? Okay. Now here again we are going to see the next question. The next question is tan 75 cot 75. Okay, so we already derive the value of tan 75 cot 75. Okay, so here the solution will be the given that the value that is given, that is tan 75 plus cot 75. Okay, now we already know that tan 75 is nothing but root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1, and cot 75 is nothing but root 3 minus 1 and root 3 plus 1. This is the, we already drive these values 70 cot 10 75 cot 75, or if you don't know 1075 cot 75, then you can find by formula 10 45 plus 30. If you do 10 45 plus 30 and you are applying compound angle formula here, then you will be finding this value. Okay, so now here I already drive the find the value uh, 1075 and cot 75. Now here I am going to use directly. So here 1075 is nothing but root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. So this is the first bracket and plus, and here root 3 minus 1 and here root 3 plus 1. Okay, now just see here. Here I'm going to take LCM. So after taking LCM, here this will be plus 1 square plus root 3 minus 1 square, and here root 3 minus 1 square. Okay, so just see here, it will be, after opening the bracket, it will be 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 2, and here plus 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so, and here this will be 3 minus 1. So plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 will get cancelled. So here I will have 8 plus 2, and 8 plus 2 is nothing but 4. So this is the answer. Now just take this question, the fifth question. Sine 1140 cos 390 minus cos 780 sine 75. So this is the question, and we have to simplify this term. Okay, see here, first of all, in this chapter we are going to use only compound angle formula. What? Compound angle formula. So compound angle formula, compound angle formula. So here the thing is given sine cos, cos sine. So that means here we are going to use sine A minus B. Okay, because just see here, solution, we know sine A minus B is nothing but sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. This is the formula. This is the formula. Okay, now we are going to use, we are going to make these big term into this form. Okay, already these this term or this question is is the in the form of sine A minus B, but we are going to change the value, these all value, like sine AB. Okay, so here just see here, I can write sine, the given thing is sine 114 into cos 390 cos 780. Okay, now here I am able to write sine 12 into 90, then wait 1 minute. Plus 60 into cos 90 into 4, 90 into 4, then 360 plus 30, then minus cos 90 into, not about, okay, 90 into 8 plus 60, and sine 90 into 8 plus 30. So here I just simplified all things, like I broke all the theta values in this form. The form is n pi by 2 plus minus theta. Already we discussed in our previous exercise that if we have a long theta values, then we have to convert the long bigger theta values in this form, n pi by 2. Okay, so here pi by 2 is nothing but 90. So that means this theta is going to lie into uh, just see here, theta is going to lie 4 8 in second quadrant, so here this will be sine 60 and sine 60, then this will be going to lie into first quadrant, that will be cos 30, and here this will going to lie into first quadrant, then here cos 60, and this will be sine 30. Okay, now just see here, we have, see this sine 60 cos 30 cos 60 sine 30. So these equation number 1 and equation number 2, comparing equation 1 and equation 2, then we have 60 minus 30, and 60 minus 30 is nothing but sine 30, and sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Just take note or take the screenshot. Done. Okay, Mr. Sheikh Hassan Ali, do you have any doubt in all this problem? Are you getting what I'm trying to teach you? If is there anything, if you are not getting, then let you can tell me. I will try to explain once again. Okay, now see the next question. The next question is second question. Second question is express. The first question is root 3 cos 25 plus sine 25 by 2 as a single of an angle, as a sine of an angle. This is the question. Okay, okay, now just see here what we have to do here. We have to do these term, we have to write into one single form, that should be in sine form. Okay, now so here just see how I'm going to convert. Given that 25 by 2. Okay. So if I'm separating 2, then here I will have cos 25 plus 1 by 2 sin 25. Okay. Now just see here, I know the value of root 3 by 2, I know the value of 1 by 2. Okay, see here, I know here what I have to write, I have to write in sine form. So in sine form, I know the one compound angle formula of sine a plus b. Sine a plus b is nothing but sine a cos b plus cos a plus cos a sine b. This is the formula. And one thing we all know, that is, so here it should be sine here, so it should be sine here. So I know sine 60. Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, and cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So these all are the formula. Okay, these all are the formula. Just put sine 60 here, then sine 60 into cos 25 plus cos 60 into sine 25. Sine 25. So just see here, this formula and this formula, after comparing this thing with this formula, I'm able to write sine 60 plus 25, that is nothing but sine 85 degree. Okay, this is the questions of answer. Now just see the next question. Cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, cos theta minus sin theta. Second question, cos theta minus sin theta as a cosine of an angle. Okay, cosine of an angle. Boys, this question I'm going to give you as a homework. So in this question, just you have to write solution. See, this is given and you have to form into cosine form. So here cos a minus b, you already know, that is cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. Okay, this formula you already know, so you have to make this thing into this form. Okay, but how? So here this given that cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, okay, now if I'm multiplying with root 2 to this bracket, then here I have to write 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by 2 sin theta. Okay, if I am multiplying and dividing with root 2, then here I have to take this thing. Okay, see here again root 2. See here 1 by root 2 is nothing but cos 45. Cos 45, then cos theta minus sin 35. Sin 45, then sin theta. See, after comparing these things and this thing, I am able to write cos a minus b. Okay, so here root 2 is nothing but cos 45 plus theta. Cos 45 plus, sorry, minus theta. Here is minus, then here will be plus. So cos 45 plus theta. So this is the answer. Just take the screenshot. Take the screenshot. Sir, from last second line, I didn't can you explain once again? Okay. Which question you are talking about? Sheikh Hassan Ali. It was about last. Oh, okay. Actually, I didn't see your question. Sir, it was about last question. Okay. But these two questions, have you understood? Okay. Okay. So last question. Okay. The last question was sine 114 into cos 390 minus cos 780 into sine 75. Okay. Sheikh Hassan Ali, it was this question. Is that was it then? Okay. See here, first of all, we have to understood, we have to break this all bigger value of theta. Okay. Because we don't know the value of sine 1140 values. Okay. Only what we know only sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, and sine 180. These all value we already know and we have learned. But we know, we don't know the value of cos 390, cos 780, cos 75, or 750. So what we are doing, for finding this kind of value, we are using one thing, that is we have to make the form these theta values into n90 plus minus theta. If we are breaking this bigger value of theta into this form, then we are able to find that bigger value of theta. Understood? So here, just see here, I am going to break this theta, that is n into 90 into plus minus theta. So here I am going to make the form here. Just see here. Solution. So 114 into cos 390 cos 78 into sin 75. Okay, so here I am going to break this first. So here it will be 90 into 12 plus 60, 60 into cos 90 into 4, 90 into 4 plus 30 and minus cos 90 into 8 plus 60 and 90 into 8 plus 30. Okay, just see here, 90 into 12, 90. So in which quadrant it is lying? See here, if this is 90, this is 290, this is 390, this is 490. Okay, first 90, second 90, third 90, 490. Okay, similarly this is here, it's coming 490. So after one rotation it is coming 490, after second rotation it is coming 890, after third rotation it is coming 1290. That means this theta value is coming under the first quadrant, and I know all the trigonometry ratio are positive in first quadrant. So here I am able to write sine 60. Okay, sine 60. And here, see here, this is also in first quadrant. So here I am able to write cos 30 minus cos, this is also in first quadrant, cos 60. Then here this will be, this is also in first quadrant. So here this is in first quadrant. Okay, so here I know the compound angle formula of sine a plus b is nothing but sine a cos b plus, or here we have minus. So if I am taking here minus, then here I have to take minus here, then cos a sin b. So compare these two, then you are able to find sin 60, sin 60, sin 60. Okay, let me check question. Okay, sin 60 minus sin 30, and that means sin 30 and sin 30 is nothing but 1. Mr. Sheikh Hassan Ali, still you have any doubt in this question? Then you can tell me. Okay, now we have only 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. In 5 minutes, we are going to solve next question. For solving exercise 6C, you have to memorize all the formula that I have given to you in previous class. Okay. Now, the third question. The third question is tan theta in terms of tan alpha, in terms of tan alpha, if sine theta plus alpha, sine theta plus alpha is equal to cos theta plus alpha. Okay, so here we have to convert this value into tan theta in terms of tan alpha. मतलब हमारा जो वैल्यू होना चाहिए tan theta is equal to tan alpha something something, ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. Okay, so here the question meaning of that things. Now here the given part is sine alpha is equal to cos theta plus alpha. Okay, Now if cos theta will come here, then it will be sin theta plus alpha cos theta plus alpha is equal to 1. Okay, now I can write sin by cos is nothing but tan theta plus alpha, okay. Tan theta plus alpha is nothing but sin theta plus alpha cos theta plus alpha and is equal to 1. Okay, now here, so I found that tan theta plus alpha is coming 1, is coming 1. And I know one thing, tan 45 is equal to 1. I know tan 45 is equal to 1. So here if I compare these two things, tan theta plus alpha, tan 45, then I am able to write theta plus alpha is equal to tan 45. Theta plus alpha is equal to tan 45. Then theta will be 45 minus alpha. Okay, theta is equal to 45 plus alpha. Okay, now taking tan on both sides, taking tan on both sides, then here I will have tan theta plus tan 45 minus alpha, tan 45 minus alpha. Okay, now just see here, tan theta is nothing but, here I am going to use tan a plus b formula, tan a plus b formula. Okay, so here this will be tan 45 minus tan alpha 1 plus tan 45 into tan alpha. Okay, now tan 45 is nothing but 1 and tan alpha, and here 1 plus tan alpha. So here tan theta is nothing but, so the question was that we have to convert these sin theta plus alpha is equal to cos theta plus alpha in a terms that tan theta in terms of tan alpha. So here we have done tan theta is equal to 1 minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha. Okay, this was the question and we have done answer. Okay, just take the